Good morning, guys. It's Saturday. I am on my way to work for Weight Watchers. Today I am leading my regular workshop. So that will be a fun little twist for these guys. Surprise, I'm a leader. Coach. So I brought this picture to show everyone. I don't know if you guys have seen it. This is my before and after. I just want everybody to know in the workshop, and also you guys, that I have been where you are. I have been where you are, and it doesn't matter if it's 5 pounds or 50 pounds or 75 or 100. Losing weight is hard work, and it takes a lot of dedication and determination and motivation and stick-to-itiveness. So I have been there. I have been there. I have my coffee here. This morning I just did a K-cup with 1 tablespoon of fat-free half and half, so my coffee is 0 points. Last night I made that cheesy chicken broccoli rice casserole. It was really good, really good. And because it's mostly vegetables, 1/4 of the entire recipe is, I believe, 4 smart points. It was really good. So I think I'll be taking that for lunch maybe a couple times next week because there are leftovers, but I was very happy with the way it came out. I don't know how you guys are doing on the recipe challenge. I am trying to make as many of the recipes as I can. I'm not hitting all of them. I think I've only actually missed one so far this week, the chilled cucumber soup, which I was going to have for lunch yesterday, but I forgot that I was going out with friends. So I've only missed one recipe, but I would love to try and make that at some point anyway because it's 0 points and it sounds delicious. And that is the only cold soup that we have on the recipe challenge, but we have many, many soups and chilies coming up for October, so I'd like to try a cold one first. And other than that, not a lot going on today. I tried to get my nails done last night after work and every place closed, so I will do it today after work, and then I'm also getting my hair done later, so it's a girl day, I guess. Anyway, I will check in with you guys after work or before I eat something. Hey, it's about 1:20. Meeting went a-okay. The meeting was okay. This is my probably my 4th meeting only that I've led on my own. Maybe 4th or 5th, so I'm still trying to get the swing of things. I feel like the meeting went okay. As far as Weight Watchers wants the meeting to go, they want us to do a go with the flow style, which is more conversational, and we talk about really what the members want to talk about. So in that respect, I think it went okay. I like my own leader style. She has so much energy, and she just has a lot of energy and also a lot of information to impart about Weight Watchers and about the meeting topic and whatever. We are supposed to spend 10 minutes of the workshop talking about the weekly. 10 minutes. And the other 20 minutes is the go with the flow, conversational type of meeting. So it's a tough balance, and I feel like we did a lot of go with the flow. We did our 10 minutes on the topic, but I just need to insert some energy somehow. So I need to definitely do more meetings to get a better handle on that. 3 meetings tomorrow, so I don't think I'll be a pro by the end of tomorrow, but every meeting is great experience for me, so that's how I'm looking towards it. So I just had breakfast. I went to a diner in our neighborhood. It's literally called the Diner on Main. And they have a breakfast that is 2 eggs any style, so I had it 2 eggs poached on English muffin, so it was like an Eggs Benedict, but without the Canadian bacon, without the hollandaise sauce. It was really good. And then it's served with hash browns. Instead of hash browns, I got fruit. So it was perfect. It was the perfect Juli breakfast. I loved it. I'm full, I'm satisfied. And I'm counting 4 smart points for the English muffin, because an English muffin unbuttered is 4 smart points. So now I am doing some errands before I go to get my nails done, before I go to get my hair done. I'm just headed over to Trader Joe's for a moment, and I really gotta get gas. I gotta remember before I run out. I'm a terrible, terrible driver. When it comes to stuff like that, I forget. Hey everyone, happy Sunday! It is Sunday and I've been working. I did 2 meetings this morning as a wellness coach, and I have one more that I'm going to right now. This third meeting, last meeting, is my official meeting. So we're gonna see how this goes. I don't know how Weight Watchers has been advertising for it, but hopefully there will be more than just a handful of people there. But yeah, I'm excited to see how it goes. Right now, so I did 2 meetings this morning. I had to be there at 7:45 on a Sunday. Sorry, I'm looking at directions and Siri is giving me like weirdo directions for some reason. So now I have to turn around. Anyway, so 7:45 on a Sunday morning. I had to get up at 5:30 this morning. Yikes, on a Sunday. So I have had so far, I stopped by 7-Eleven for some coffee, which I know sounds disgusting, but it was actually really good coffee. I was impressed. So I had coffee and I used powdered creamer, because I know I can use just enough powdered creamer to be enough and still come in at 1 smart point. So I've had 1 smart point so far. I am on my way to Pasadena for a meeting, and I'm looking for probably a poke bar, because a poke bowl sounds really delicious. My salmon salad sounds really good too, but I don't know if I have time to actually go in and sit down and have that. So we're gonna skip that. Anyway, I will show you guys what I land on for lunch when I get there. Do you ever get where you're hungry, but you don't know what sounds good? That's where I'm at right now. Like, I'm really trying to decide. I think that a poke bowl sounds really good, but on the other hand, so does my salmon salad at Shaker's. And I know it's ridiculous because I already had that twice last week. So I'm really trying to go with what my brain and what my body really wants right now. And so I'm picturing in my mind eating a poke bowl and how that would taste right now. And then I'm picturing in my mind eating my salmon salad and how that would taste right now. And I gotta say, the salmon salad sounds amazing. I do think I have time to, let's see, I've got an hour. So I think I'm gonna head over and get my same salmon salad. The cool thing is that this restaurant has a punch card. And if you have 8 meals, then your 9th meal is free. I think I'm at about 5 right now, or I will be after today. So I don't know, you gotta go with what your body's craving, right? I'm sure I'm gonna burn myself out on this salmon salad, but right now it's really, really good. So I'm going there right now. Okay, 4th and final meeting of the weekend, done. It was a very tiny meeting. We had 3 members. 1 was a new member, and then we had 1 who was an employee supporting me, so I guess that's 4 total. So me and 4 people is a very intimate meeting, but I think it went pretty well, actually. I was talking to my leader and talking to her about leading meetings, and how I asked if the meeting gets easier throughout the week, because our new meeting starts on Sunday. So that's when we start a new meeting and a new meeting topic. I asked her if throughout the week, if it gets easier, because the meeting that I did yesterday morning, completely different from the meeting that I just did this afternoon. 3 meetings later. So totally different, but I think it went really well. So again, If you guys are in the Pasadena, Southern California area and you would like to and are able to come to one of my meetings, 2:00 p.m. on Sunday afternoon in Pasadena, California, I would love to have you and I would love to meet you. So I have just gone to Walmart and done the last little bit of my grocery shopping. I picked up some fries and a fillet of fish for Eddie, and I'm telling you what, the car smells amazing. I love McDonald's fries like nothing else, like nothing. There's nothing in the world that compares to McDonald's fries. Unfortunately, after I eat McDonald's fries, I always feel kind of really like heavy and greasy and kind of blah. So if I even have one fry, just one fry, and I'm totally done for. So I have not had a single fry. My best tip and what I have done today, it doesn't help with the smell, but I have the bag of fries and the fillet of fish in the back seat so that I cannot snack on fries all the way home. It's gonna work. It's gonna work because it has to work. So anyway, that's where I'm at right now. I could have, yes, I could have had fries. I could have had a fillet of fish. I could have had a fillet of fish and fries. I don't know if I would have points for all of it, but I've only had a couple points so far today. 2 for lunch and 1 for the coffee, so 3 points out of 23. I could probably have a good bit of fries and a fillet of fish, but I'm not hungry. So, you know, if I'm not hungry, then why even go there right now? I know that later today when I get hungry, I can have whatever I want, whatever sounds good to me at the moment. And based on my decision this afternoon, not knowing what to have, who knows? Who knows what I'll have? But whatever I decide to have, it's totally allowable, totally doable. I just need to work it in my points. So we'll see. It is 4:37 and I'm not hungry yet, so I'll show you guys more later.